students, welcome to your YouTube channel Atari Academy. Today we will solve the problem of exercise 2.5 under the second chapter linear equations in one variable of 8th class. Today our subtopic is reducing linear equations to simpler form, means how we reduce linear equations to the simpler form. So let us learn together and first solve first question of exercise 2.3. Question is x upon 2 minus 1 upon 5 is equal to x upon 3 plus 1 by 4. First, we transpose variables on left hand side and all constant on right hand side. So transposing x upon 3, x upon 2 minus sign of x upon 3 negative 1 upon 5 which is equal to 1 upon 4. Transpose x by 3. Now we have to shift minus 1 upon 5 on left hand side, on right hand side, and for this what operation we will use? Adding 1 upon 5 both sides. X upon 2 minus x upon 3 negative time of 1 upon 5 positive 1 upon 5 which is equal to 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 5 adding 1 upon 5 both sides. Negative time of 1 upon 5 and positive time of 1 upon 5 cancel to each other. Left hand side is x upon 2 minus x upon 3 which is equal to 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 5. So taking LCM on left hand side, taking 6 as LCM, 2 3 are 6 and 3 1 are 3 means 3x negative time 3 2 are 6 2 1 are 2 negative time of 2x which is equal to taking 20 as LCM 4 5 are 20 5 1 are 5 positive time 5 4 are 20 4 1 are 4. We get 3x minus 2x which is equal to x upon 6 is equal to 5 plus 4 9 upon 20. Now by cross multiplication 20 is multiplied with x and 6 is multiplied with 9. Dividing by 20 we get 20x is equal to 6 multiplied with 9. Dividing by 20 x is equal to 6 multiplied with 9 upon 20. Now we reduce to simpler form. 2 3 are 6 and 2 10 are 20. 3 9 are 27 upon 10. So the value of x is equal to 27 by 10. This is our first solved question. Now the second question is x plus 7 minus 8x upon 3 5x by 2. Negative time of 5x by 2. Now subtracting 7 both sides, or you can say transpose 7. X minus 8x by 3, positive 5x by 2, positive 7, negative 7 is equal to 17 by 6 minus 7, subtracting 7 both sides. 7 to 7 cancel out. X upon 1, 8x by 3, 5x by 2 is equal to 17 by 6 minus 7. Taking 6 LCM on left hand side, 1 6 are 6, 6 1 are 6x, negative time 3 2 are 6, 2 8 are 16x, positive time 2 3 are 6, 3 5 are 15x. Taking also 6 LCM on right hand side, 17 minus 42. 7 6 are 42. 15 negative time of minus 16 means minus x, positive time of 6x means what you get, positive time of 5x. Negative 16, positive 15. What you get? Negative 1, negative x plus 6x, positive time of 6x. As a resultant, what you get? 5x. 5x upon 6 is equal to 42, or negative time of 42 and positive 17. Both signs are opposite, so you have to subtract. Which operation we are using here? Subtraction. 12 minus 7, 5, and 3 minus 1, 2. And 25 is negative or positive? The larger number have the sign. Larger number is negative 42. Negative 42 means we use negative sign with 25. Means यहाँ पे आपके पास अगर हम यहाँ पे एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन के आपके पास साइन है पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव, अगर वो दो साइन सेम, अगर आपके पास दोनों के दोनों साइन सेम है तो आप एडिशन करेंगे, ऐड करेंगे उनको, चाहे बोथ आपके पास दोनों के दोनों साइन नेगेटिव हो या फिर पॉजिटिव हो, उस केस में दोनों नंबर आपके पास ऐड होंगे और जो आपके पास साइन है वो सेम साइन यूज हो जाएगा। मींस आपके पास अगर नेगेटिव 42 और नेगेटिव 17 है तो बोथ साइन आर सेम, so you have to add 9 and 5 59 and use negative sign with 59. If both are positive, then you have to use positive sign with 59. So in case of both are same sign, you have to add the both numbers, and in case of opposite sign, you have to subtract the number and use the sign the greater number have. Means वही sign use करेंगे जो आपके पास greater number का sign है। यहाँ पे आपके पास आ जाएगा negative time of 25 by 6. by 6x is equal to negative 25 by 6. So x is equal to negative 25 by 6 multiply with 6 upon 5. आप क्या कर दोगे 5 upon 6 का इधर यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई में इधर जाके डिवाइड हो जाएगा, डिवाइड होगा तो क्या हो जाएगा रेसिप्रोकल, मींस आपके पास 5 upon 6 किसमें कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा 6 upon 5 में। 6 to 6 cancel out, 5 5 are 25, so the value of x is equal to minus 5. Okay, is it clear? So next question is third question. minus 2 upon 4 minus 2t plus 3 upon 3 is equal to 2 by 3 minus 3. Now t is variable, so you have to shift variable on the left hand side. 3t minus 2 upon 4, 2t plus 3 upon 3, positive time of t is equal to 2 by 3 transpose t, t upon 1. So on left hand side you have to take LCM 12. 12 is LCM 4 3s are 12, 3 3s are 93, 2s are 6. नेगेटिव साइन 3 4s are 12, तो आपकी 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे हम 2t plus 3. Positive time 1 12s are 12, so 12t is equal to 2 by 3. Or you can write here 4 3s are 3 into 3t minus 2. अब हम नेक्स्ट स्टेप में मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. 3 3s are 90, 3 2s are 6. पहले हमने 3 की मल्टीप्लाई की 3t से, और फिर हमने नेक्स्ट स्टेप में 3 की मल्टीप्लाई की 2 से, और यहाँ पे हमारे पास नेगेटिव साइन है, हमने सेम नेगेटिव साइन रखा. यहाँ पे आप कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी यूज कर रहे हो? विच प्रॉपर्टी वी आर यूजिंग हियर? डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी अंडर सब्ट्रैक्शन. नाउ नेक्स्ट नेगेटिव 4 मींस यहाँ पे -4 है. -4 की मल्टीप्लाई हमने किससे की है? 2t से. तो कितना मिला आपके पास? नेगेटिव 8t. 8t नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव 4 3s are 12 plus 12t upon 12 is equal to 2 by 3. Positive 9 negative 8 positive 1 means 90 minus 80 1t plus 12t 13t minus 12 minus 6 means minus 18 upon 12 which is equal to 2 by 3. Now by cross multiplication we get 3 is multiplied with 13t minus 18 is equal to 12 is multiplied with 2. Now multiplying by 3 both sides. 13t minus 18 is equal to 12 multiplied with 2 upon 3. Means यहाँ पे अगर हम 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करें तो 3 से 3 कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा. 3 4s are 12, 4 2s are 8. 13t negative 18 is equal to 8. Shifting 18 on right hand side, transposing 18. 13t is equal to 8 plus 18. 13t is equal to 8 plus 18 is equal to 26. So t is equal to 26 by 13, which is equal to 2. Which is equal to 2. Now the value of variable t is equal to 2. In question third, value of variable is t is equal to 2. Now next question for 15 y minus 4 negative 2 y minus 9 plus 5 y plus 6 is equal to 0. Now we multiply 15 negative 15 for the 60. Negative time 2 is multiplied with y, 2y, negative and negative sign positive, 2 9 the 18. Positive time 5y, 5 6 are 30 and use positive sign. Now the variables are 15y, negative time of 2y and positive time of 5y. Plus 5 minus 2 plus 3 plus 3y. We get positive 5y minus 2y, positive 3y, positive 3y plus 15y, 18y. Minus 60 plus 13. Minus 60 and plus 13. Minus 60 and plus 30. We get negative time of 30. Plus 18. 18 have positive sign. So negative time of 12 means 12 is equal to 0. Now shifting 12 on right hand side. 18y is equal to 12. Multiplying by 80, y is equal to 12 by 18. 6 2 are 12. For finding simpler form, 6 2 are 12 and 6 3 are 18. Y is equal to 2 by 3. Now the value of variable y is equal to 2 by 3. Question 5. 0.25 4f minus 3 is equal to 0.05 10f minus 9. So students, first of all we solve the decimals. यहाँ पे आपके पास कितना है 0.25. अब यहाँ से हम डेसिमल यहाँ से हटाएंगे तो क्या मिलेगा आपके पास 25 by 100. सेम एज इट इज 0.05 का डेसिमल हम हटाएंगे तो क्या मिलेगा आपके पास 5 upon 100. So first we solve 25 by 100 4f minus 3 is equal to 5 by 100 10f minus 9. आपके लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में और राइट हैंड साइड दोनों में क्या है अपॉन 100 है. तो हम इसको कैसे इसकी सिंपलर फॉर्म बनाएंगे. सिंपलर टू सिंपलर फॉर्म तो हम कैसे करेंगे इसमें मल्टीप्लाइंग बाय 100 बोथ साइड्स. 100 multiplied 25 by 100 4f minus 3 is equal to 100 5 by 100 10f minus 3. 100 to 100 cancel out. 25 4f minus 3 is equal to 5 10f minus 9. Now 25 for the 100 100f minus 25 3 the 75. 5 10 the 50f. Negative time 5 9 the 45. Now shifting variables on left hand side 100f negative time of 50f negative 75 which is equal to negative 45. Positive time of 100 and negative time of 50. We get positive time 50f negative 75 which is equal to negative time 45. Now we transpose 75 on right hand side. We get 50f is to 30 upon 50, we get the value of f is equal to 3 upon 5. So exercise 2.5 is complete. Next exercise 2.6 we will solve in next video. So thank you and have a nice day.